What's that noise?
Oh, wow.
You hear that? You hear that?
Oh, yeah, I do. Where's it coming from?
Somewhere over here. Coming from Bobby's van. What is going on? Bobby hasn't been in here for 2 or 3 months.
I know.
Alarm's going off. That's one of the alarms that Eric got from the subscriber. Somebody's in there, man. Who's in there? What the? It's Eric.
No way.
Eric. Eric. What are you doing in here?
Oh. Damn. I don't know.
Overslept.
What are you doing in here, bro? This is Bobby's van.
Oh,